Hello, welcome to Glady Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we're talking about how to play Spotify music on your TikTok live stream. So the first thing you have to do is to log into your Spotify app. The next thing is to select the particular music you want to play. So I'm going to play this music. I just have to play it and pause it and make sure that it's showing here on the drop down. The next thing I have to do is to go to my TikTok, click on my TikTok and log in. Log into my TikTok app. I just have to click on the plus icon fan at the bottom of my screen in order to go live. So the next thing I have to do is to select the live option found at the bottom of my screen and click on it. Also click on go live. So when I click on go live, I automatically go live. So the next thing you have to do is to mute your microphone. If you have gone live, you are going to see the three dots at the bottom left corner of my screen. I just have to click on it. Clicking on it is going to bring out these options for me. The second to the last option there, it shows that I've muted my microphone. So I can now go and play the music that I paused before going to my TikTok. So I just have to play the music and it's going to be playing while I'm live on my TikTok. So you can see I can pause it now if I want to. So guys, that is it on how to play Spotify music on TikTok live stream. If this video was helpful, do well to like, subscribe.